We're asked to simplify the given expression, and we'll take a look at two methods for simplifying the given expression. For the first method, let's write the given expression using only positive exponents. Notice right now, in the denominator, the base of m to the fourth is raised to the power of -3. We can write this using a positive exponent using the negative exponent rule shown here, where 1 over a raised to the power of -m equals a raised to the power of positive m. So this rule is telling us if we move the base of a up to the numerator, the sign of the exponent changes. So looking back at our expression, if we move the base of m to the fourth up to the numerator, the exponent of -3 changes to +3. So the given expression is equivalent to m cubed raised to the second power times the base of m to the fourth raised to the power of +3. So when the base of m to the fourth is moved up to the numerator, the exponent changes from -3 to +3, and now we have a product. Before we multiply, though, we'll apply the power property of exponents, which means when we have powers raised to powers, we multiply the exponents. So m to the third raised to the second power is equal to m raised to the power of 3 times 2, which is 6. So we have m to the sixth times m to the fourth raised to the third power is equal to m raised to the power of 4 times 3, which is 12. And now we're multiplying, and the bases are the same, so we apply the product property of exponents, which means when the bases are the same and we're multiplying, we add the exponents. So m to the sixth times m to the 12th is equal to m raised to the power of 6 plus 12, which equals m to the 18th. So this is one method of simplifying the given expression. Let's take a look at a second method. For the second method, we'll leave the expression in fraction form and clear the parentheses by applying the power property of exponents, which again means if we have powers raised to powers, we multiply the exponents. In the numerator, we have m to the third raised to the second power, which is m, raised to the power of 3 times 2, which is 6. In the denominator, we have m to the fourth raised to the power of -3, which would be m raised to the power of 4 times -3, which is -12. And now we have a quotient, and the bases are the same, and therefore we apply the quotient property of exponents shown here, where if we're dividing and the bases are the same, we subtract the exponents. So m to the sixth divided by m to the -12th is equal to m raised to the power of 6 minus -12. Well, subtracting -12 is the same as adding 12. So we have m raised to the power of 6 plus 12, which of course also gives us m to the 18th. So both methods are a valid way to simplify the given expression. You will probably prefer one method over the other, but it is important to understand both methods do work for simplifying the given expression. I hope you found this helpful.